Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I've got this mould, small rectangular tray mould. It's got like a lip around it. I'm going to be using it with Aqua Cast today for the simple reason I got a present off my mum. Whenever my mum orders from Temu, she doesn't trust herself, so I have to do it for her, and I have to go through every single piece. And she says, and order something for yourself, something crafty. So I try not to take the mickey, and I try to keep it as small as possible. So I've got these beautiful DTF stickers. They are very, very lovely. Wondering, oh, it's that one. That one's my favourite. I don't know which one I'll be using today, but it will be one of them. And I found this. I've tried cleaning it. I don't know what is on it. I haven't a clue. I didn't buy it. Don't know where it's come from. Anyway, and I'm going to be making a tea light holder to go on top of it. And hopefully I can fit some of them flowers around the sides. Now I've got a bung. This bung, okay, I put it silicone in a tea light and it doesn't quite fit a tea light. So there will be some sanding involved when I put that in. So I do have this one, but it's way too big. It'd be sticking out the sides. So I'll go and get some Aqua Cast mixed up. I'm going to be leaving it white, I think. And I'll be right back. Right, I won't be measuring it today because I can't imagine that it takes a great lot. So let's put some in. Might even put a bit of white pigment in it because I do want it white. Right, one of these cups takes about 200 grams of powder, so I'm basing it on that. Let's see, shall we? We'll give it a mix. Yeah, my mum's a bit frightened of Temu. You know how you get things and they're not the right size, or you expected it to be bigger or stuff like that. Or you order two by mistake. Yeah, well, she's done that many times, so I have to do the ordering now. Not that it's a problem. I do love a bit of Temu. And I do love these DTF stickers. I've only used them twice before. I'm quite impressed. And while it's like that, I'm going to add some pigment to it. So I've got Jesmonite pigment in white. If I can get it open. And I'm going to pour a fair bit in. I want it white. There we go. Right, it's all mixed in now, nice and white. We'll get this poured in and then we'll make the tea light holder. Oh, that was one hell of a lump. Don't want any unmixed powder. Let's help it along. Got a bit left over there. Not a bad guess though. It is going on the vibration plate, so I don't have to do too much tapping, but I will go around it with a micro brush. Make sure there's no... I've got an hair in it. Where has that hair come from? You read, Wendy? That's going on the vibration plate for about 4 or 5 minutes. We'll just push it to one side and let's see if we can stick this down. Try and get it as central as possible. It doesn't stick down very well. I think this cube mould is very old and lost its it's quite thick as well. Don't know how I'm going to get it out. We'll see. So it will go underneath it, I'm pretty sure of it. Let's pour what we've got in there. Right, a bit more is needed, I think. This isn't going on the vibration plate because I don't want to move that bung, and it's going to be movable as it is. I'll just put a bit more in that and I'll be back for demold. Right, let's have a look at these. Let's see if I can get this one out, because this is going to be a problem, I think. It's not as if it's very, very thick. Oh, no, that was nice and easy. There we go, it's coming. Yay, it stayed in place. Like I say, a bit of sanding is required for that. I'm looking for something to get it out with. There we go. There we go, lovely. Dead simple. Obviously, the bottom needs sanding. Can't leave it like that, can we? It's absolutely beautiful day today. Something like 29 degrees here in the UK, which is really, really hot for us. So these are going out in the garden. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Right, all I'm going to do is I'll leave these to cure. They need to be very, very dry in order to put the sticker on. Not very thick, that, is it? Decent enough to put a candle on. I always like to put my candles on trays. It's just like an extra bit of security for me. Right, I will see you back here when these are all dry. Right, while that's drying, I've picked this one and I want to cut it down to the size of the inside there. Right, obviously I'm going to lose some of the bottom. Really don't think I need to be losing the top, so I will cut that off there. I will just snip the excess white off there. They're a bit bent. They came in a terrible state from Temu, all scrunched up and horrible. I've had them under something quite heavy. Right, let's see. That's the top. That's quite a lot, but we'll go for it. Can always use this for something else. I don't chuck anything away, me. It drives the editor mad. You'd never know. It could come in handy for something. Right, well that's a perfect size. We don't want that end bit, so I'll cut this off. Very technical this, isn't it, for measuring? Very technical indeed. Right, just short of that. Once you've got it in the roundabout size, oh yeah, that's good. You can take little bits off. Yep, that'll be fine. Perfectly dry now. Perfectly. And I've cut this down to size. So let's see if we can get these apart. Oh, it came away straight away. Good grief. Perhaps should have left a bit more space. Let's just make sure we've got all that down. What beautiful stickers these are. I'm really impressed. Right, Cricut tool. Let's get it up without scratching the mould. Guess what? I can't get it up. There we go. It's getting enough I can grab hold of. And we'll give it a peel. Now these stickers, apparently, because of the way they're printed, do not need a top coat. So all I'm going to do is, I might just get a little bit for there. All I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to put some Hydroflow sealer over the top. I've done it before, it's absolutely fine. In fact, I'm using a tray in the living room that's exactly the same. I just like how shiny the sticker is, but how lovely the Aqua Cast is behind it, so it gives two kind of textures. I like that, it's nice. And like I say, good, strong and durable these. Now, the tea light holder. I was thinking of putting that around it, you know, just to give it something. Putting it that way, so it looks like it's growing out of the bottom. Yeah, I think I will. I think I will. I can't stand waste. So, we will use it up. If I can get into it. I've got nails as well, you think I'd be able to manage it, but there we go. But I don't. And we'll just do the same. There we go. Nice sharp knife. Be careful not to cut yourself, like I usually do. I did actually sand this very, very lightly before I put the sticker on, just to give it a bit of something to stick to. Right, this might take some time. I'm going to get my squeegee tool. I managed it. It looks alright. I just need to go around the bottom with a sharp knife, make sure I've got it. What's left over, we've got to use every bit of this sticker, haven't we? I might cut that flower out and a bit of greenery and pop it in there. Although I am tempted to put it all the way around, you know, and cut the circle out in the middle. I don't know. No, I'll just cut the flower out, she says, still looking. No, I'll leave that because it's a good size for something else, another project. It definitely will not get wasted. Right, I'm gonna go around that one, I think. I'm just deciding which colour to use with the pen, a Posca pen. Might have to be gold, so I might use my chrome pen, just a chrome marker, just to give it a bit of something else. The pen was running out. I'm struggling with that pen, so as you could see, I was having trouble. But there we go, all finished. I think it's really pretty. I do like Aqua Cast in its natural form. I just think it's lovely. Right, we'll try a tea light in there. All I've got up here is electric ones. Oh yeah, it fits. It fits lovely. Very nice. I will take some photos. I'll put a tea light in there, and it needs some foam on the bottom. I'll be putting some foam or some cork, or even them little clear rubber feet. I do like them. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'm really, really grateful for you watching. I'd like to thank all my members, all my subscribers, everybody that views my videos, and I really want to thank all my YouTube friends because they're all awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.